Have you noticed that the set time zone automatically feature isn't working properly on your Xiaomi phone? If you're dealing with this time issue, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the time zone issue and ensure your phone always shows the correct time. So wasting no more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check the internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. A poor connection might prevent accurate time zone detection. Solution 2. Verify date and time settings. First, open the Settings app, scroll down, then tap Additional Settings, then select Date and Time. Ensure Automatic Date and Time is enabled and Set Time Zone Automatically is enabled as well. Solution 3. Go to Settings, then tap About Phone, then hit the MIUI version logo and check for updates. If any updates are available, download and install the updates. Alright folks, if this video helped you get the Set Time Zone Automatically feature working again on your Xiaomi phone, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.